Today we have come outside to see a real plant. There are so many plants grown in the garden, in our school garden. Don't touch that, beta. See, these are, which you are touching, no, these are leaves. And can you tell me the green part of the leaf is called chlorophyll. From where do we get the green color on leaves? From the this green color comes from sunlight. From the sunlight. With the help of sunlight, blue, red and blue color becomes green color, and this green color is the food of the plant. Now see, can you see this flower? Flower? Yes. So after, see, this is the stem. See, stem. All of you see here? Stem. And on the stem there are grown many small branches. Can you see these branches?
Yes.
Can you see these branches? Yes, these branches on these branches there are leaves. And after the stem, then leaves and branches grow. After branches, look here. After branches, then leaves come. After leaves, a small bud come, and after bud, flower comes.
This is the bird.
Yeah, this is a flower and this is a bud. Yes. Now see, these are the hedges also. Now come here. See here, gardener uncle is here. See the gardener uncle. See, what is he doing? What is uncle doing? He is sowing plants. आप क्या कर रहे हैं बताइए अंकल इनको. अंकल क्या कर रहे हैं बताइए बच्चों को. सफाई कर रहे हैं और इसमें क्या लगाएंगे? छोटे छोटे पौधे लगाएंगे. अंकल आप इनको कोई एक ऐसा प्लांट दिखा सकते हैं जिसमें जड़ है, रूट. सी अंकल टेल मी. अंकल विल टेल अस. अंकल विल शो. वेट. फिर आप दोबारा लगा दीजिएगा उसको या ग्रास में से निकाल दीजिए. सी हियर बेटा. सी अंकल इज taking out a plant. Yeah, a plant, and then he will sow it again. Yeah, see now. Uncle has uprooted it. Uncle जरा ऊपर को दिखाइए. Now show to everyone. दिखाइए बच्चों को. देखो बेटा ये जड़ है, root. See, root grows inside, and then it is a stem, and these are the leaves. See there. Hold it. पकड़ो. Hold it. Yeah. Now show the root. Very good. Because the plant grows in the soil.
This is called soil. What do we call soil in Hindi?
Mitti.
Yes, this is the soil. See the stem.
Without soil, plant cannot grow. See.
है ना?
Wow.
And there are some beautiful.
This here. See the flower. See. The plant is bearing a beautiful flower. See here. Can you see this flower? Yes. Flower. Wow, a beautiful flower.
Which flower is this?
Which flower?
Rose.
Rose.
Which flower is this? Which
Achha,
plant?
do you know rose flower has something.
And this is tulsi plant. See? Tulsi. Basil.
Ab look
See.
here. This
See.
plant is very. You would be clear.
See here.
Boys,
Class 1B, see here.
here. Which part of the plant is this?
Rose.
This one is.
Star.
What is this?
Star.
These are the.
Tell ma'am.
First, what are coming from the stem? Branches. And what are these?
Leaves.
These are the leaves. The
Kitchen of the plant.
beautiful parts are the flower. And flower have color and smell. What do we call it? Smell?
Fragrance. What do we call the smell? Fragrance.
Wow.
Fragrance.
And they beautify the plant.
Where's
The
there?
plant more.
Flowers make the plant beautiful.
So many leaves are there. This is the stem. Stem works like a. You have you used that straw which we use for drinking the cold drinks and the.
Yes.
When we sip the water, Stem also works like that.
And also one thing, the root grows, the root grows under the ground, and the part which grows up the above the ground is called shoot. Is called
This is root and this is called
this is shoot.
root and shoot.
Shoot.
Root has only one part, but shoot contains many parts.
How many parts does a shoot have? How many parts? Stem, leaves, branches, flower, fruit. Yes. Very good.
Can you see this? Abhinav Tolia. Abhinav Tolia.
Abhinav Tolia, see.
Which part of the plant is this, Abhinav?
Tell which part of the plant ma'am is asking.
This one is.
This one is stem.
What is the spelling of stem? S-T-E. What is this? Leaves have tiny, very tiny holes in them,
Are called
which are used.
tiny holes are called.
What are they called?
What are they called? Tiny leaf. Stomata.
Spelling of stomata?
STOMATA.
S-T-O-M-A-T. And this beautiful part is called
A brinjal, a small fruit is coming out from the brinjal plant.
It's a brinjal plant.
See the
It's a
brinjal
herb.
plant? It's a herb. See
It's a herb. Herbs are
herb.
the smaller
small plants having very soft stem.
which are having green
Green soft stem.
stem.
See there? See children? Are you all seeing brinjal plant? It's a herb, a small plant.
Flower.